Hello, I'm Professor Sachin Sambaj Patil. I welcome to all of you for this session. So today we are going to see what are the communication satellites and orbits. So I welcome to all of you for this session. Communication satellite orbits and its types. So satellites are classified into three different types based on their height from Earth surface. So first one is that low Earth orbit, then medium Earth orbit, and geostationary Earth orbit. What is what do you mean by low Earth orbit satellite? Okay, orbits. So the height of the satellite from the Earth surface, it is near about the 500 to 1500 kilometer. In case of medium Earth orbit satellite height, it is 6000 to 12000 kilometer, and in case of geostationary Earth orbit satellite height is 35,800 kilometer or 36,000 kilometer. So this is the three different types, depends upon the height of the satellite from the Earth surface. So this one is first type, that is low Earth orbit satellite, LEO. Low Earth orbit satellite is a short form, that is LEO is a short form of low Earth orbit satellite. LEO satellite revolves around the Earth. LEO satellite distance from Earth 500 to, yeah, that is near about 1500 kilometer, but in some of the book it is given the 2000 kilometer. Okay, you just try to understand this 500 to 1500 kilometer. In some of the books they are given the 500 to 2000 kilometer. The time taken by LEO satellite to revolve around Earth is 1 hour to 1.5 hours. What do you mean by this? It is time taken by low Earth orbit satellite to complete one revolution around the Earth. It is 1 hour to 1.5 hours. LEO satellite operate in 1 gigahertz to 2.5 gigahertz frequency range. Okay, low Earth orbit satellite operates in 1 gigahertz to 2.5 gigahertz frequency range, and application of the satellite is that in communication, telecommunication we are using the satellite. Then second type is a medium Earth orbit satellite. MEO is a short form of medium Earth orbit satellite. MEO satellite revolve around the Earth. MEO satellite distance from the Earth surface 8,000 to 20,000 kilometer. The time taken by MEO satellite to revolve around the Earth is 4 hours. Okay, just distance is given the 500 to 1500, 6000 to 12,000. In some of the book, these values are given different. Okay, that's why this is the varying this. Okay, 8,000 to 20,000, near about that. The time taken by MEO satellite revolves around Earth is 4 hours. MEO satellite operate in a 1.2 gigahertz to 1.6 gigahertz frequency range. This is frequency range of that satellite. What is the application of MEO satellite? Global positioning system, GPS. Okay, this is the main application of MEO satellite. Then what is a GEO? That is a geostationary Earth orbit satellite. So GEO satellite, GEO is a short form of geostationary Earth orbit satellite. GEO satellite revolve around the Earth. GEO satellite distance from Earth, that is near about 35,800, means near about the 36,000 kilometer from Earth's surface. The time taken by GEO satellite to revolve around Earth is 24 hours. GEO satellite operates in 25 gigahertz to 27 gigahertz frequency range. This is frequency range for GEO satellite. Now we can compare low Earth orbit satellite, medium Earth orbit satellite, and GEO satellite. First comparison point between the LEO, MEO, and GEO satellite. So what is the orbital height? The low Earth orbit satellite lies in the range of 500 to 2000 kilometer from the surface. So it is given the values in the book. Okay, these are the values given in book. That's why it is taken. If you see on the internet or any other book, these values are not fixed. These values are varying. That is a 500 to 1500 kilometer low Earth orbit satellite. Medium or Earth orbit satellite 8,000 to 16,000 kilometer. Okay, like that. And these values are given in book actually. So you can remember any values, no problem. Medium Earth orbit having the 8,000 to 20,000, or some of the book given the that is 6,000 to 12,000. Okay. So Geo satellite having the 35,800, means near about 36,000 kilometer. Okay, height from the Earth's surface. The time taken for one revolution. So low Earth orbit satellite, it takes 1 to 1.5 hours to complete one revolution around the Earth. Okay. Medium Earth orbit satellite is taking 2 to 4 hours to complete one revolution around Earth, and JOS stationary Earth orbit is taking the time 24 hours. It means the satellite is taking near about 1 day and 1 night. Okay, that is, it is taking the one whole day to complete one revolution around the Earth, because low Earth orbits, that is a geo satellite, that is geostationary Earth orbit, that looking like stationary from the Earth surface. Okay, and why is stationary? Because the revolution of Earth, okay, around itself is equivalent to the speed of the satellite, geo satellite. So what is launching cost of LEO, that is low Earth orbit satellite, is very less, very low. Launching cost of medium Earth orbit satellite, it is moderate, medium, and in case of geostationary Earth orbit satellite, it is high. So what is the path loss of LEO satellite? That is the small due to lower heights, MEO satellite moderate, and geo satellite high. What is round trip delay? It is small in case of LEO satellite, moderate in case of MEO satellite, and long in case of geo satellite. What is the coverage? Low Earth orbit satellite covers very small area Earth due to its proximity. Because if you see, the satellite is very near as compared to the other, so it is covering the very small area Earth due to its proximity. So medium Earth orbit satellite, it is in between this LEO and GEO satellite. It is moderately, and large 3 GEO satellites can cover the entire Earth surface. Okay, the satellite can cover the entire Earth surface. Geostationary Earth orbit satellite, 3 satellites are enough to cover the whole Earth surface. What is lifespan of the LEO satellite? Short, few months. In case of MEO satellite, longer, and GEO satellite, very long. Applications are there. LEO satellite carrying out scientific studies, weather predictions as remote sensing satellites. In case of MEO satellite, local communication, global positioning system, GPS, and GEO satellite having applications like communication and entertainment. Okay, so I am very thankful to all of you for watching this video. We have seen that what is the LEO, MEO, and GEO satellite. Okay, what are the different parameters, that is orbital height, okay, time taken to complete one revolution, launching cost, path loss, round trip delay, coverage, lifespan, applications, and we have seen comparison also. Okay, so I'm very thankful to all of you for watching this video. Keep watching and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much.